Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shirley. You guys call me Prissyshay. What they do. Y'all, I had a long day at work, y'all. I was doing makeup all day. I was so tired. Woo, y'all could tell from my, skin. I look a little oily, I look a little greasy. My bad for, my camera be a little bit wobbly. Cause, I'm so tired and I can't really hold the camera straight. My skin look good though. My skin is glowing. So, anyways, since I feel like I show you guys my full makeup collection, so today I decided, why not show you guys my brushes, my full makeup brushes. Yeah, you guys gonna watch it today, right now, on my video, on my channel. Yeah, I'm crazy. Anyways, I'm gonna start cleaning my brushes. You guys gonna watch me clean my brushes. I'm gonna show you all brushes that I have. I have Sephora brushes. I got the Morphe brushes. I'm gonna put y'all on some brushes, you feel me? So if you guys wanna continue to see this video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Comment down below if you guys love to see this type of videos, and let me know what videos you guys want to see, what other videos you guys want to see. And when I post my videos, y'all, don't forget to click that notification bell, ding 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 ding, so when I post my videos, you guys will know. Okay, don't miss out when I post my videos. You guys gotta be notified, you feel me? So right now, we about to do this video right now, so stay tuned, so keep on watching. Okay, Working brushes. I have a client tomorrow, so I'm getting ready to clean them and organize them. I already done clean this brushes already. These are the bomb. Okay, these brushes are cheap. They're reasonable prices. Their quality is really nice. Synthetic hair, very soft. I had this for years, y'all. Never like really used this fan brush. It's like a highlighting brush. I used this recently. This is like my contour and highlight brush. You see how angled it is. I already cleaned it. I'm using right now the Sephora collection quick clean, dry clean. This is the best cleaning brush, y'all. It was $15. It's cruelty free. I'm just mad that this thing's so little. I have so much brushes. By the time I clean all my brushes, it's gonna be like done already. Okay, you can find this at Sephora. So I work at Sephora collection. You can find it there, $15. Yeah, so I gotta get like I need to buy like 3 more of these, because this whole bottle is brand new. It's already like halfway over here. Like, I have so much brushes. Anyways, these brushes is not clean yet. See, it's all dirty. Look at my little sparkle. I got this from I swatched like some eyeshadow in my hand. That eyeshadow is from Beauty Trend. Anyways, back to the brush video. But yeah, so I have these type of brushes here. This little fan brush, all this brush. You guys gonna see me clean the rest of them, and I'm gonna show you the other brushes that I have. Okay, I'm done with all these brushes. Right now I'm going to show you my other brushes that I have in my room. These are the brushes that are dirty that I'm going to clean. These like random brushes. These are brushes that I always use, like foundation brushes from Morphe. This is like a regular brush from one of my Box of Charm brush, when I used to have Box of Charm. This is another Morphe brush, is it? Yeah, Morphe brush. I got this from Marshalls, and all random brushes. I gotta clean those. And some of these are brand new. I haven't used yet because I don't want to use them yet. They're too pretty. It's like I don't want to dirty it. So there's no point of using it when I have so much brushes that I need to clean. Pretty much it. Yeah. I thought I had more brushes than this. Well, that's the brushes I have for now. It may look like there's a lot of brushes, but y'all, to me, it's not a lot. So I'm gonna clean these brushes. Oh, I picked that up after. Clean them over here so they can get clean. Cause girl, we is not like the If y'all haven't checked out my makeup collection when I organized it, check out that video. That's the last video I post up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to this channel. Make sure you guys like, comment, all this good stuff. So yes, I'm gonna clean these brushes and I'm gonna put them back. Yeah, what I told you. This thing's so good, but it finished so fast. I don't got no more. And I got so much brushes I have to clean. Like my little eye brushes that I always use so much. These are like my main brushes. So I have to go to Sephora, or not go to Sephora, I would say I go back to work to buy another brush cleaner because I have a lot of brushes. It may seem like I have a lot, but I feel like I don't have a lot of brushes. I have a lot of makeup. Yeah, I have so much makeup. So with that being said, I'm gonna buy more brushes. I'm gonna go to Morphe one day when I'm free. I'm gonna buy some more brushes, get rid of the old ones, out with the old, and with the new year, I need new sets of brushes. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do soon. So I'll make sure I vlog that for y'all. You guys wanna see me buy some brushes, do some brushes, brush shopping and whatnot. So yeah. Don't forget to subscribe, y'all. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Y'all watching it, but make sure y'all subscribe. So anyway, since I don't got no more makeup brushes, I'm gonna like organize my brushes and I'm gonna show you guys that part. Okay. I'm crazy. I'm such a hoarder. You know that? I need to put these over there. I need to put my brushes, start putting them over there. I don't want to like, cover my mirror. I need to see my face and whatnot. But yeah, I'm such a hoarder. I forgot I had this. It was sitting right there. Somebody make space, and I forgot I had all these Sephora collection liquid lipstick. Damn, okay, look at me. I bought some new ones. I gotta look for it. I don't know. So yeah, so some of these are new. All the new brushes coming in the front. All y'all old brushes, y'all is gonna sit in the back, cause Yeah, and my old Benefit pencils. Yeah, I gotta get rid of those. Yeah, I gotta get rid of these. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so these coming out. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all stay tuned. Are clean and done for my client tomorrow. All my Morphe and Sephora brushes, regular brushes. Yes, hopefully I can close it, but we'll see. So this is done. I organized this as well. I took whatever was in the middle, make space. When I buy new ones, I have space to store them. These are like kind of clean. I gotta buy more makeup remover. Makeup brush cleaner. These are the clean ones, right? They are clean. They're just old, so all the eyeshadow stain, or the brush are stained with the eyeshadow that was used on it before or whatever. So yeah, they're stained, still kind of clean. Gotta still re-clean them when I buy the brush cleaner. If you guys want to see all my eyeshadow palette, that will be another video, hopefully soon. I don't know. You guys let me know if you guys want to see an eyeshadow collection. Comment down below, let me know if you guys want to see it. I just recently bought this from Burlington Beauty Trends. I used to use this brand a lot when I first started doing makeup. This was the ish, so I ain't gonna, go to the high and leave this, act like I don't know about it. But this one, Beauty Trends, it was lit. If you're first time, trying to play with makeup, trying to learn the game, how to, do different looks and stuff like that, try Beauty Trends. Burlington have a lot of their good stuff there, okay? These cheap stuff, it was $5, so I took the price out. This cheap stuff is still good, just like the higher quality. This section, these are all dirty. Oh, it's all dirty. These are the dirty brushes, gotta clean them. These, one side is dirty, no, these are dirty, and these are the clean ones. They just have a little stain left on, left on and whatnot. But I still gotta re-clean them as well to make sure they're really clean. And just, it's my wax station. I do waxing, y'all. If you guys want to get your eyebrow waxed, bikini wax, all that, come down to Dade County, Miami. Hit your girl up, Prissyshay, you feel me? Anyway, that's another video. So these are the other brushes that I put here. These are dirty. Yeah, these are dirty brushes, so I gotta clean them. So yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it. They're all organized. All organized. So if you guys enjoyed this video of me cleaning my brushes, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know if you guys love it, and let me know if you guys want to see my eyeshadow collection, all the eyeshadows that I have. I think I have a lot of eyeshadows. Some eyeshadows I haven't used. Anyways, that's another video. Make sure you guys subscribe, click on notification bell, ding ding ding, so you guys can be updated when I post my videos. So yeah, y'all, I have fun showing you guys like my brushes and stuff like that. So yeah, so I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye. Too soon.